Good morning, everyone. In front of you is Mr. Albert B. Varela, and I'm your competency assessor for organic agriculture production and seafood. And I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Neri Baltimore, our processing officer, Ms. Arianda Chica, our assessment center manager, and Mr. Dean Isaac Garuneda, our representative from TESDA Provincial Office. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. You didn't need to worry about their presence. They're here to oversee the conduct of assessment and to check if the conduct of assessment is in accordance with the competency assessment methodology and procedures.